हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू खुशबू ट्यूटोरियल्स द नॉलेज लाइब्रेरी। आज मैं हमारे देश भारत के साथ विश्व में आर्थिक निर्देशक में कौन से देश सबसे उच्च स्थान पर और निम्न स्थान पर है उसके बारे में बात करूंगी। लेकिन इसके पहले कि मैं अपना वीडियो स्टार्ट करूं, आप सभी इस चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, इसे ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें क्योंकि ये इंफॉर्मेशन आपके जीके और स्टडी के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं द करंट स्टेटस ऑफ इंडिया इन इकोनॉमिक पैरामीटर्स। So the first parameter is population. According to the data from World Bank 2018, China secured the first rank with highest population of 139.27 crore among all over the world. Vatican City, where only 1,000 people among all over the world with the lowest population, which belongs to Europe. And if we're talking about the India, then India secured the 135.27 crore population with the second rank among all over the world. So this is the current data for population of our India. Okay, then second parameter is GDP. According to the data from World Bank, the US has highest GDP in the world, that is $19,485 trillion. China has $12,238 trillion. Then Tuvalu has lowest GDP in the world, which is $32 million. And if we're talking about the India, then India has $3,202 trillion among all over the world. So this is the data for GDP in the world according to 2018 from the World Bank. So the third parameter is per capita income of 2019 and 20 data. The first and the highest per capita income country is Liechtenstein with $1,39,100. Qatar is with $1,24,500. The lowest per capita income country is Burundi with $700. And if we're talking about the India, then India is with $2,338. So per capita income that we can gain by dividing our national income by our population, that is the per capita income. But India has, as a developing country, the lowest per capita income. Why? Because in India, the growth of population is much more higher than growth of national income. Okay, so fourth parameter is unemployment rate. Unemployment is the situation in which person is ready to work, he is in a search for work, and he is qualified work and ready to work also at a prevailing wage rate, but then also he could not find the work. That is unemployment. According to 2019 data, the Burkina Faso, which is the highest unemployed country with 77% unemployment rate according to 2019, Cambodia with 0.3%, that is the lowest unemployment rate country. And if we're talking about the India, then India has 2.55% unemployment rate according to 2019. So we are still trying to reduce our unemployment by government plan, rules and regulations in our country. Okay, the next parameter is literacy rate. Literacy rate shows that the person who can read or write in a particular country. If we're talking about the literacy rate, then Russia with the highest literacy rate, that is 95% among all over the world. Then third, Niger is with the lowest literacy rate with only 19% among all over the world. And India has 74.04% literacy rate. So India needs to improve still more and more of literacy rate so that we can create human capital in our country. The very next parameter is poverty. Poverty indicates that a person who can't satisfy their basic needs with their income level. According to the data of 2019, Syria is with the highest literacy rate, that is 82.5%. Turkmenistan has the lowest literacy rate, that is 0.2%, and India has 21.9% literacy rate. So we have to take a major actions to reduce our poverty level, and our government still focuses on poor area as well as low level income groups so that we can reduce our poverty very soon. Okay, so next parameter is life expectancy. The life expectancy indicates the expected life of a particular person starting from his birth. So according to 2019 data, the Hong Kong has highest life expectancy, that is 85.29 years. Central African Republican countries has the lowest life expectancy, that is 54.36 years. And if we're talking about the India, then current 2019 life expectancy for our Indian country is 70.42 years. So that is the data of life expectancy. Okay, so next parameter is HDI, that is Human Development Index, which was established and given by UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program. It covers three criteria: life expectancy, literacy, and standard of living. According to the data of 2019, Norway is with the highest HDI, that is 0.954. Niger is with the lowest HDI, that is 0.354, and India is with 0.647 HDI among all over the world. So this is the data of Human Development Index. So friends, this is overall data of economic parameters of Indian country with the world countries. So if you really like this video, then like it and subscribe it, and आप इसे जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करोगे उतना स्टूडेंट्स के लिए और जो लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रही है उनके लिए भी ये बेनिफिटेड है, क्योंकि इसमें सारी की सारी जो इंफॉर्मेशन ली गई है वो लेटेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन विथ लेटेस्ट फिगर है. ठीक है, तो आप इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करना ना भूलें. Thank you so much, all of you.